Practicing yoga on the beach can be an incredibly serene and invigorating experience. The sound of the waves, the feel of the sand beneath your feet, and the fresh ocean air can all contribute to a deeper sense of connection with yourself and nature. Here are some tips to help you make the most of your beach yoga practice. Preparation. Timing. Choose a time of day when the sun is not too strong, such as early morning or sunset. This will help you avoid getting too hot or sunburned. Tides. Be aware of the tides and set up your practice well away from the water's edge to avoid getting soaked. Gear. You may want to bring a yoga mat, but it's not essential. The sand can provide a soft and natural surface for your practice. If you do bring a mat, choose one that is lightweight and easy to roll up. You may also want to bring a towel to wipe away any sand or sweat. Sun protection. Wear sunscreen and a hat to protect yourself from the sun's rays. Practice. Start simple. If you're new to yoga or new to practicing on the sand, start with some simple poses like sun salutations, warrior 1 and 2, downward facing dog, and child's pose. Go barefoot. This will help you connect with the sand and improve your balance. Listen to your body. The sand can be uneven, so be mindful of your footing and pay attention to any pain or discomfort. If you feel anything, take a break or modify the pose. Embrace the elements. Let the sound of the waves and the feeling of the sand wash over you. Use your breath to connect with the rhythm of the ocean. Additional tips. Bring a friend. Practicing yoga with a friend can be more fun and motivating. Take a class. If you're new to yoga, consider taking a beach yoga class from a qualified instructor. Make it your own. There are no rules when it comes to beach yoga. Get creative and have fun. Here are some yoga poses that are particularly well suited for the beach. Warrior 1 and 2. These poses are great for strengthening your legs and core. Warrior 2 yoga pose. Downward facing dog. This pose is a great way to stretch your entire body and build strength in your arms, shoulders, and core. Downward facing dog yoga pose. Child's pose. This pose is a great way to rest and relax between poses. Child's pose yoga pose. Tree pose. This pose is a great